Alright guys, welcome to 2025. This is one of the early videos for this year. And today we're going to check out the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G that comes in this pretty nice box. Now, what is the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G all about? Well, basically, they're focused on three main things. Number one is all about that 200MP camera. It's going to give you a better camera experience. Number two is about the durability. Now, this one is said to be even more durable than ever. We'll talk a bit about that as well. And number three, it's supposed to come with an ultra smooth performance. So it's got a new chipset on board, Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 to be precise. So let's check out what this phone can do. Now, first up, we're going to start off with the camera, of course. Now, at the back here, you see that we do have the 200 megapixel camera that comes with OIS. It's the Samsung HP3 unit. That means that it's super high res, and what you can also do is 2x and 4x in-sensor lossless zoom. Now, I know a lot of you might be skeptical with this kind of zoom quality, but to be honest, I've been testing it out a couple of times outdoors, and I noticed that it actually performed really well. And what's more, with Xiaomi's own imaging engine, you're actually able to get pictures in very quickly, and you're actually able to get in more vibrant images. What I can say is that they all look very clear, very sharp, white balance looks on point, and there's not a lot of over sharpening on the photos, which I like a lot because it doesn't look over processed. Now, if you're not too happy with the pictures taken by the phone itself, of course, you have a couple of AI tools. We have the AI eraser that actually helps you to detect what's on your screen. You can also have manual intervention to circle up stuff that you do not want, and it will remove it for you. So there's a couple of AI features on board the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G that again makes the overall photographic experience a bit more better. Now, moving on to the second point here, and let's talk a bit about the durability. Now, this is the fun part here because, yeah, not only do we have a brand new design on here, which I want to touch on very quickly, I particularly like this vegan leather back panel, which makes it very grippy. In fact, I don't even use it with a case, and I think it's great to look and very nice to hold. Now, in terms of those durability, what are we looking at here? Well, basically, the front itself comes with that Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and it actually gives you like 200% of better drop resistance. So if you're the kind of careless person, you get a bit more protection at the front. Now, furthermore, it also comes with reinforced structure with steel plates and shock absorbing materials. So like I said, the vegan leather at the back here actually helps to absorb a couple of those shocks as well. So if you do happen to drop it on the back itself, the phone should hold up pretty well. Now, the device itself, just like before, is IP68 water and dust resistant. So in case you want to drop it into the water or take a couple of underwater shots, you can also do that on the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. Now, one thing I like about the display itself is that it also comes with the enhanced Wet Touch 2.0, and it allows you to actually touch the screen if the screen is wet. So let's say you are coming out of the pool and you just need to reply to a message or navigate on your phone. You can still do that with the enhanced Wet Touch 2.0. Now, ultimately, with the stronger durability, this phone is actually made to last. It's more drop, scratch, and impact resistant for daily use and outdoor activities, and that's always great because your phone gets to live even longer. Now, let's move on to the final part and talk about that ultra smooth performance, and this is all down to the hardware that we have in here. So we're going to start off first and foremost with the chipset on board. Like I mentioned earlier on, we have now switched to the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 that actually gives you even more seamless multitasking and gaming speeds. Furthermore, there's the advanced vapor chamber cooling for sustained performance, so if you're gaming over a long period of time, the phone itself will still remain cool. Now, what's new in terms of the software is that we do have that AI circle to search. Now, moving on, we also have a fairly immersive display at the front. Now, this is actually a 6.67-inch crystal res curved AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution, so everything is going to look sharp on that display. It also supports 120Hz refresh rate and goes all the way up to 3000 nits of peak brightness. Now, this is very useful because you'll still be able to see your screen when you're outdoors on a sunny day. Now, in terms of the battery and charging, what we have here is a 5110 mAh battery with Smart Charging 2.0 that actually helps to provide long-term health optimization, and the phone itself also supports 120 watts of hypercharge that can charge the device up from 0 to 100% in just 22 minutes, so very quick there. Alright guys, so that's pretty much what we can say about the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G in a nutshell. Again, it's focused on its 200 megapixel camera. It's also got that super durable body this time round. And number 3, it also comes with that super smooth performance that you can find on a mid-range device like this. Anyways, if you want to find out more details about the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, do check out the links down below. Let me know what you think about this particular device. Are you excited for it? Let me know. Thank you for watching today's video all the way to the end, and I hope you guys have a great year ahead. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.